Hello guys, welcome to Resource ICT. Today we are going to talk about something that's changing the game in the world of artificial intelligence, Llama AI. But before we dive into the details, let's talk about what Llama AI is. Llama AI is an AI powered chatbot that's designed by Mark Zuckerberg's Meta project and released in February 2023, especially to help developers and researchers build and train their own conversational AI models. The term Llama stands for Large Language Model AI. It's like a chatbot that can help you develop other chatbots. And the best part of it is it's completely free and open source, so anyone can use it without making any payment. Llama AI is quite similar to ChatGPT and Bard AI, but there are some interesting features you can specially find in Llama AI. So let's see how we use Llama AI. Just open up your browser and type the URL. You can find this URL in the description of this video. Just go to the description and copy paste the URL in your browser. So this Llama AI is not actually fast as ChatGPT or Bard AI because it's under development, but still there are quite interesting features here which we cannot find in ChatGPT or Bard AI. I will show you them in the video later. So we are going to log into Llama AI. So as we did for ChatGPT, here also we have to create our own account. So I have previously created my account. So therefore I am going to log in with that. If you are new to this Llama AI, you have to sign up first. If you are already having an account, then you have to log in here. So I am going to log into my account. Once you are logged in, you can start creating your own AI models and their intuitive interface. So this is the interface. So as you can see, Llama AI is incredibly easy to use. It is very similar to ChatGPT or Bard AI. You can simply chat with it and it will help you to build and train your own conversational AI models. And because it's powered by AI, it can understand and respond to natural language, making it feel like you are chatting with a real person. So let's say hi to Llama AI and we'll see what it says. So I have 5 questions to ask from Llama. First question will be, do you like people? On the right side top, you can see running. That means the AI is generating its response. And here we have stop button. If you want to stop the generation of the answer, we can press stop. So here, Llama response, I am just an AI. I don't have personal preferences or feelings. If we ask like, do you love me or something like that, something related to emotions, still the response will be similar. Okay, let's move to the second question. We'll ask, can Llama explain about its own behavior? Yeah, so definitely the Llama AI can answer such kind of questions. So this AI model is trained to answer our questions, especially the questions which are theoretical. Okay, so this is the answer of Llama. So I'm not going to read it now. I'm going to move to the third question. So in the third question, I am going to ask Llama to generate a recipe for bananas. So if you have banana or some kind of fruit or something at your home, you can ask Llama to generate a recipe for you. Llama nicely creates the recipe for banana. So you can add some modifications like if you have a banana and some other kind of ingredients, then you can add what ingredients you have and generate a recipe according to that. Okay, so as the fifth question, I'm going to ask Llama to do a small kind of a translation. Before translation, I will ask Llama about the languages that it can speak. So Llama can speak and understand English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, and many more. So that means we can translate anything written in any of those languages to any of those languages. Like we can translate between these languages. So I'm going to check that. I will ask to translate good night to Spanish. Also, there is an important feature here which we don't have in ChatGPT. So we can ask Llama to pretend like whom we wish before starting the chat. Let's try that one out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first ask Llama to behave as a child and write a small poem. Okay. So in this box you can prompt like whom that llama should behave. Pretend that you are a child. And now I am going to ask write a 4-line poem. Yes. Very simple. Roses are red, violets are blue. I love you so much and I'll always be true. So this is the very small poem. Then I am asking Llama to pretend like Shakespeare. Okay. So here you can see the complex jargon compared to the poem of the child. So here there is a small drawback. If I ask to generate a 4-line poem, this is a 4-line poem which is separated by the commas. So it's quite confusing, but still it is a poem and it contains 4 lines. Right. So you can understand how we can prompt our output according to what we require. So that's Llama AI in a nutshell. It's a powerful technology with endless possibilities for improving the way we interact with machines. I hope you found this video very informative and helpful. Try Llama and post your idea on the comment section. Thank you for watching.